My name is Mr. Pekar. Let's do some science. Today we're going to talk about change of state of matter. And before you do the lab experiment, you have to know some vocabulary. The first vocabulary word is solid. Solid, matter in its lowest energy level. It has a definite shape, definite volume. All of the molecules are tightly connected. They can vibrate, but they cannot move. No matter where I put this solid, it maintains its shape, maintains its volume. Liquid, at a medium energy level, has a looser structure. The molecules can roll over each other, but they are still connected. It has a definite volume, 100 milliliters, however, its shape can change. If I pour it into a cylindrical container, it takes the shape of the container. If I pour it into a spherical flask, it takes the shape of the container. And if I poured it on the table, it would spread out flat until it could spread out no more. Undefined shape, definite volume. The last state of matter we're going to talk about is the gas. It has a higher energy level, an undefined shape, and an undefined volume. It will travel, its molecules are not connected, and they will expand until a container stops them. Just breathed out a bunch of carbon dioxide, and it's already in the room, and it will expand out and out and out. Undefined shape, undefined volume. Now, when we deal with states of matter, there's two other terms among a couple that you will have to know for this lab. The first is the melting point. That is the temperature at which a substance, solid, turns into a liquid. Enough energy is given to that substance so that the molecular bonds that hold it so tight loosen up and it can roll over each other. It will have an undefined shape, but a defined volume. The next point is the boiling point. That is the temperature for a specific substance that turns it from a liquid to a gas. Enough energy breaks the bonds between molecules and they fly apart and expand. The last term you need to know before this lab is thermal energy. That is the total energy of particles in an object or substance. We recognize it as heat, and we will use a thermometer to measure it. As the energy of the substance increases, the vibration of the molecules increases, and it will push the dyed alcohol in the molecule up, and we will be able to measure that in Celsius. Excellent. Now you are ready to begin the lab.